Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In previous video, we talked about list. So in this video, we will talk about tuple. So tuple is similar to list, but in tuple, we can't change tuple data. So we will create a variable, name as a variable tuple. So this is my empty tuple. So we can't create empty tuple. Okay. So let's try to print empty tuple. So we will execute our code. So it's printing. Okay. So we can check what is the type of this variable. So it's printing class tuple. Okay. So let's add some item in our tuple. So as you can see here, it's printing our tuple data. Okay. So let's try to change our tuple data. Okay. So we are trying to change our first index number with 5. So as you can see here, it's throwing error, type error. Okay. So tuple object does not support item assignment. So in tuple we can't change tuple data. Okay. So it will throw error. Okay. So friends, in previous video in list lecture we have missed one topic, that is append and pop command. Okay. So we will see now what is append and pop command. So let's create one variable. This is our empty list. Okay. So list1 dot append three. Okay, print list1. Okay, so let's execute our code. So this is our tuple, this one line for this, and this is 3 for this list1 data. Okay, so by default we are going to add some data in our list. So as you can see here, it's printing 156 and we are appending here 3. So it's coming at the last index number. So similar like this, there is one pop command. It used to remove a item from list. Okay, so pop and it will take index number. Suppose that we are going to remove 0 index number data. So it's printing 563. It has removed 1. Okay, so similar like this, we have one insert function. By insert function we can insert a item in particular index number. It will take index number, which index number you want to insert. So suppose that we want to add at one index number, and what is the object means list item. So suppose that we want to add ram. Let's execute our code. So as you can see here, at one index number in list we have ram. So this is our tuple and list tutorial. In next video we will talk about dictionary. What is dictionary? Okay, so if you like this video, please subscribe this channel and share with your friends and colleagues. Okay friends, bye.